Ever struggled with a food jar lid? I grip and twist, but nothing happens. I try again, harder, still stuck. We've all been here. Stubborn lid, hands slipping, no joy. Sometimes I grab a tissue or a tea towel for extra grip, and it's still difficult. This honey jar is the worst once honey gets on the threads. Eventually it opens, but it shouldn't be this hard. Introducing the food jar opener. I seat it on the lid, twist, and it opens. Available in 3 sizes. There's small, there's medium, and there's large. So you're covered for a full range of jars. You can either press it down onto the lid or gently flex the 2 handles outward so it seats smoothly. Then squeeze the handles together and give a gentle twist to open the lid. Here's a lid in a different size. Some jars open easily, others take more effort. This larger lid took more force, but it opened with a smooth release. If a lid feels stubborn, press lightly on the top while twisting to help break the vacuum. Open and shut gets easier after the seal breaks. I believe the lids are actually designed with this in mind, as seen here. This empty jar is what I used for most of my testing during product development. As you can see, minor dents can appear on the lid over time. That's normal. The outer metal picks up light marks with repeated opening. Even with a dented edge, the lid still seals because the gasket provides the seal. Different lids develop different levels of dents. Thanks for sticking with the video. A quick look at the development path. I started with a top loop design to create a spring effect. Expand when squeezed, relax when released. Testing showed the loops added points of failures to the tool. The final full circle ring gives the same gentle compliance, but with greater strength and reliability. In the final seconds, you'll see a fast run-through of the iterations and most of the prints before the current design. The STL isn't available, but there's a link to the Etsy store if you'd like to buy one. Thanks for watching. Your support for this channel is truly appreciated.